Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to find the equation of the regression line, also called the least square regression line, or also called the line of best fit. And I'll show you how to find the regression equation using a statistic calculator, and also I'll show you how to find the regression equation using GeoGebra statistic calculator, okay, in the both way. So let's start with statistics calculator. How do you find the equation of regression line, which is y hat equals, you got to put the equation here. So to do that, first you click list editor, so you can put the value here. L1 corresponds to x value, so every x value you put in L1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and L2 corresponds to y value, which is 91, 104, 128, for x equals to 3, for 4 145, 145, and for 5 160, for 6 180, okay, 180. So after you put the data, you have to go to the calc, okay. Then under the calc you see this window, and you click line regression option, and you type L1 comma L2, because your x value is in L1 and y value is in L2. And after you put that and calculate, and you can see the equation here, y equals x plus b. That's the equation, linear equation, also called the least square regression line or the line of best fit. But notice that there is only y here, not y hat, but technically least square regression line is y hat. So you type ax plus b format, where a is 18. We just put 18 here. Let me just put here 18, and let me just 18x, because a value 18, b value is 71.6666, whatever, 76 here, but depends on how many decimal you rounded. Let me round it to 4 decimal. It depends on the instruction. You get 71.6667, 71.6667, 4 decimal places, okay. So this is y hat equals to, that's the equation. That's how you find the equation of least square regression line using statistic calculator, okay. Now if you want to use this other calculator, you do the same thing. You type all the data. A, there's no L1 L2, but under A you type x variable, under B you type y variable. Let me type and back when I pause the video, okay. All right, I put the data here. This is L1 and this is L2, which is, this is x value, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6. This is the y value, okay. So now to find the equation of regression line, you got to highlight this 2 column by dragging your mouse, and then you click this histogram button. You can see 2 variable regression analysis. That's what you got to click, okay. When you click that, and you see on the right side of the window, you can see the dot plot, okay. Sometimes you can adjust this window by scrolling, right, left. And this is the scatter plot, but we didn't need here. We need the line. So to find the line, you guys see over here, this is a regression model. So since this is the linear regression model, so I have to click here to find the linear option, okay. For the linear, you can see that the y equals 18x plus 71.6667, which is same as we had it before. Even you say y, but you got to put the y hat for the regression equation. So that's how you find equation of regression line using calculator. Thank you for watching.